Alright, the demonstration of putting the core tool to put a core back in while it's running. You can see it's running. So we got about 120 psi in the low side line and about 340 or so on the high side, but I'm doing the low side right now. You can see the valve core is closed, the ball valve. So let's put the valve core in here, and I gotta not look at the camera and look at what I'm doing. That's really confusing. Okay, there we go. That's it. You can see there's a little bit of movement because the tip of the valve core is hitting the closed ball valve right now. There's no valve core in there, so now I'm going to open up the valve. Let me back up a little bit. This is a little too close. I'm going to open up the valve. You might see it. Watch this. I'll push it forward. You'll see it move back a little bit. See that move back? The pressure is now inside here, but it's sealed by the seals. So now I can push forward, and a little bit of forward motion, push, and a little bit of screwing. Screw her good. Get her all the way in there. I think it's going. There it goes. I can feel it. That's it. And then I come back out. I could close the ball valve. Okay, we got a little oil there. Great. And now I should be able to open this and nothing comes out. That was it. Now I should be able to remove it. And that's it. The valve core is now inside there. Alright guys, short demo.